I really like it when we're vibing, but when I'm in another city,
What's up guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new here, I'm Erin. If you're not new here, hi, it's me again. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you a few things that I got when I went thrifting the other day. This was actually my very first time ever thrifting, and I'm super excited about all the things I got, and I'm super excited to share them with you, so let's jump on into it. I'm going to start with coldest weather to warmest weather. So the first thing that I got, and oh my god, sorry, I'm just like super excited about this. It's like super freaking dope. And this one was a little bit expensive for thrifting, but when you see what it is, you're gonna be like, okay, wow, that's a good price. So this was $30, but look at this. It is like an authentic Goodwrench NASCAR jacket. And it has like all these logos, Realtree, Bass Pro, RCR, and then on this side, the one and only Burger King, NASCAR, Coca-Cola, and some other things that I've never really heard of. It says Goodwrench on the shoulder, and then on the back, it says Dale Earnhardt, which is like the best NASCAR driver in history. I wanted something that I could wear more casually in the cold weather because most of the jackets that I already have are just like fancier jackets. So I wanted something that I could wear when I do want to walk around in leggings and not dress myself up at all. And then I found another jacket, and it's kind of a similar style, but it's more lightweight. It's a windbreaker, and I found it at the same place. This one was like $15, so still a little bit much, but I mean, back in the day, this was probably way more than that. But this one is the Napa Batteries Racing Team, number 99. And it says Napa on the snap thing on the shoulder and auto parts on it. And I love this one because I can wear this one now. We don't really get that much cold weather in Texas in the fall. So I'll probably wear the thicker one a couple times unless I'm traveling, and then I get to wear this one a lot, so I'm very excited about it. What I also love about it, and I didn't even realize when I bought it, but it's kind of like the old school Spurs Fiesta colors, and what's super dope is it says 99 on the back, which was the first year that the Spurs won the championship. So this is like actually pretty awesome considering I live in San Antonio, and I didn't even think about it until someone walked up to me at a bar and he was like, dude, your Spurs jacket is so dope. And I'm like, it's not a Spurs jacket, but thanks. And he was like trying to buy it off of me for like 50 bucks, which was way more than I paid for it. But I wanted to keep it because I didn't do the haul yet. Sorry, friend, I'm not selling that to you, even if you offer me 100. Actually, I probably would sell it if they offered me $100, but whatever. The third thing that I got is this dress, and it reminds me of this shirt that I always borrow every time I go visit Haley, but it's in dress form. So I'm super excited about it. It's like shiny gold, and I saw this and I was like, I am going to buy this dress specifically for my birthday at the end of October. So I'm super, super excited about this. It would look really cute with some black booties or some black heels. And it was $12, which is still a little bit expensive for thrifting, but it's freaking cute. But I can only even imagine how much it was when it was new. So it's a steal. Okay, and then for the final thing, I'm super excited because I went in wanting to find some Levi's shorts, and I came out with some Levi's shorts. And I found these not only at a thrift store, but on the sale rack outside for freaking $10. And they're super cute, and I feel like they fit me super cute. And I think they're like legit used to be jeans and they cut them. Oh yeah. The tag says boot cut, so these were definitely jeans at one point, which is like super dope. And I'm super excited about these shorts because I can wear them in the fall right now in Texas because it's freaking hot outside still. So yeah, that's actually it for the fall mini haul thrift store. It's my very first time thrifting, so let me know, how did I do? Did I do okay? I'm very happy with it because I would have spent way more than that if any of this stuff was new, and it's stuff that you can't even really find anymore. So I'm super, super excited. If you guys are as excited as I am, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below out of excitement. Oh, and make sure to turn on that notification bell so you get notified when I post future videos. That's something I always forget to tell y'all. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your fall. Best wishes and best fashion choices for all of you. And I will see you guys in a future video. Later, skaters.